linked HashSet. So before going to the, please go and watch the HashSet video if you haven't watched it. So that was uploaded in the previous video. Please go and watch it. Otherwise, you won't get the complete information about the linked HashSet. So you would see the difference between HashSet and linked HashSet. The major and only difference between the HashSet and the linked HashSet is HashSet doesn't maintain the insertion order, whereas linked HashSet maintains the insertion order. Here, Rakesh, Lenin, Rakesh and Raja. If suppose if we run this code, we will see Raja, Lenin and Raja. Sorry, Rakesh, Lenin and then Raja. Suppose if you run the same thing using HashSet, means what we will see is Raja, Lenin, Rakesh. The reason behind this is linked HashSet always maintains the insertion order. So that's the major difference between the linked HashSet and HashSet. So for knowing about the further methods and operations, I've already uploaded that. I have already talked about that in the previous video. So please go and watch the HashSet video, so you would definitely understand about the linked HashSet also. The only difference between linked HashSet and HashSet is HashSet doesn't maintain order, whereas linked HashSet maintains the insertion order. So once again, thanks for watching.